excited. Mabalakan, Pampanga.
His hometown.
Kenny kayo, Ken.
Guys, pa-translate na lang. Nag-wait lang po kami ng time namin para ma-makeupan for VS. Ganda naman yung vibes. Ano tawag dito? Cafe Benny.
Benny Blanco.
Selena Gomez. BRB.
Ano nyo alam?
Uy. Oh, may case nun. Transformation agad.
Wala pong before.
Walang before. Mamaya na. Bukas na lang.
Hi guys.
Nag-creative siya. Si Shelly na nga. Si Luxy.
Tape. Ang bilis nila. Oo, mabilis nila mga lalaki.
Biggest smell of okay, very good. I like that single.
Madam President.
Yung phone mo.
Ibigay ka na.
Naka-landscape. Salit ako naman din. Ano ka-edit?
Ha?
Ano ka-edit yan? Di kasi sa...
Wala lang. Ba't mo edit? Lalagyan mo ng papatawa mo lang ng mga kanta to eh.
Nagkunan mo agad yung damit ko kasi magpaparkada siya.
Hello, ba't na?
Snow without feet.
Favorite?
Hi, Black 51. So, iikot ko yung camera sa inyo. Okay, paikot. Kung ilang iba pa.
Taray. Nakaano pa.
Oh.
Hello.
Congrats, guys.
To host good product and cinematic Manila audience sound, Christine Siang Roy, internationals for structural or MEP safety and health center and safety. So here,
Napansin nyo, water mo, lang din. Yun lang yun.
Hi, Shannon!
Ay, ito pala, mali.
These are your titas and we're guessing you're a girl.
I am your tito, you're a boy.
You're a boy.
If you're a boy, I hope you're gay. If you're a girl, I hope you're tomboy. Thank you.
I think you're a dote.
Rami and Joel here.
Bye-bye. James signing off.
Bye, leaving Char.
Bye-bye, Shannon!
Wait lang, kasi naman nag-ano pa ako eh. Shannon naman eh. Ano daw? Gcash daw. Ano daw? Magpapa-Gcash daw, babe. Magpapa-Gcash daw si Architect Chono, babe. Atake. Bye, Architect! Dami nangyayari, guys. Wait lang. Abangan natin sa Architect. Architect! Architect, bye-bye.
Hello. Bye-bye. Was there?
Walang plate.